Hey, so after my last video showing builder.io, I just thought I'd expand on that. So I was asked about the Figma plugin. So the way it works is you can take any Figma template. So if we take this for example, let's open the Figma builder.io plugin and then we click export design. Then that uses AI to analyze the layers and give us the builder code. Copy to builder, head over to builder, we just paste that in, and there we have it. That content is there now, fully editable. So it's got two columns, probably not the way I want to do it. So what I'll do is get rid of that column. Let's get rid of that column. Let's stick an image in. So we want some products from our Magento store. So to do that, we're going to add an API source called products, and then we're going to paste in a special URL for a custom Magento module that we've created. What the module does is then is this REST endpoint, and then after this I can sort of tell it what kind of data I need. So for example, I want some watches. Let's just say watches. That'll then fetch the watches from Magento. Okay, so now we've got our products API, we can see that in the content state. So we've got our products and that's full of our watches. Okay, so what we want to do then, we'll repeat this section for each of our watches. So we'll repeat our products and then we'll bind our image to the products image. There we go, we've got our watches. Okay, then clicking through, we want, so let's link our dynamic URL with the URL for the product. And obviously it doesn't look very good, so let's tell AI to do that. Style these images into a grid of 3 columns. So hopefully it will just update the styling of this section. Okay, it's updated the content, it's created a nice grid and it's broken it, which happens at the moment. So let's see what it's done. It's open. It's done a state key, it's done the URL and image, which is correct. It's done a fragment. So it's repeated the fragment for all of our products, which is correct. It's created an image. So this can happen, and thankfully, if you know what you're doing, I can see that it loops over each product as item, and then for some reason, it's linking it as state product item. So there we go. Publish the update. There we go. We now have our links through to our products. So text just under the image there. We got image, we got some text. We can style that with save that, publish that. Now we should have our watch collection. Fully linked through to the watch. So there you have it. That's using Figma and builder.io to create pretty cool content pages